Before you spend your hard-earned cash, make sure to do your research. In this video we're going to be covering the top 5 cat dental care kits. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking for a convenient and effective way to keep your cat's teeth clean and fresh? Look no further than Fresh Meow Dental Water Additive. This advanced care dental rinse is specifically formulated for cats to help prevent gum disease, bad breath, and mouth infections. Simply mix it into your cat's drinking water for hassle-free dental care. The fresh mint flavor will keep your kitty's teeth shiny and their breath smelling great. We stand behind the quality of our product, so if you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Suitable for cats of all ages, Fresh Meow Dental Water Additive is the perfect solution for maintaining your furry friend's oral health. Gary from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "This product really works. I've been using it for over a week and I can already tell the difference in my cats." Looking for a simple and effective way to improve your pet's dental health? Look no further than Arm Hammer Complete Care Fresh Dental Water Additive. This water additive for dogs and cats is specifically designed to eliminate bad breath and fight tartar, taking your furry friend's dental care to the next level. Made with the signature Arm Hammer baking soda ingredient, it effectively deodorizes bad doggy breath without any strong odors or flavors. With 16 fluid ounces of odorless and flavorless solution, it's an easy way to achieve fresh pet breath. Not only does it freshen breath, but it also helps control tartar to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Simply add 1 capful per 8 ounces of your pet's drinking water once a day and ensure to wash their water bowl thoroughly before refilling it. Give your pet the dental care they deserve with Arm Hammer Complete Care Fresh Dental Water Additive. If you're looking for an easy and effective way to keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy, look no further than the Pearly Pup Dental Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for proper dog teeth cleaning. With 3 dog tooth scalers and scrapers, you'll be able to remove tartar and plaque effortlessly. The 3 head dog toothbrushes provide a thorough cleaning, reaching all corners of your pup's mouth. And for those hard-to-reach spots, the silicone dog finger toothbrushes are perfect. Not only will this kit save you time and effort by reducing vet visits, but it is also made from reliable stainless steel and silicone materials to ensure durability. Say goodbye to bad breath and hello to a fresh, healthy smile with the Pearly Pup Dental Kit. Taking care of your pet's dental health is essential, and the Ninibaby Dog Toothbrushing Kit is here to make it easier than ever. This electric teeth cleaning kit uses advanced safe ultrasonic cleaning technology, with a high-frequency vibration that effectively removes plaque and tartar. It's designed to be safe for your pet's gums, as it only works on teeth or hard objects, and stops vibrating when it comes in contact with the gums. Some customers may worry if it's working because it doesn't vibrate, but we recommend fully charging it and trying it on a hard object first. With 4 adjustable cleaning modes and a built-in LED light, this kit allows you to customize the level of cleaning for your pet's needs. The LED light also helps you clearly see any dental stains that need attention. Plus, by using this affordable teeth whitening package at home, you can save time and money by avoiding frequent trips to the vet. At Ninibaby, we prioritize customer satisfaction, and we're committed to providing high-quality teeth cleaning tools. If you have any questions or concerns about our teeth cleaning kit, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We guarantee a satisfying solution within 12 hours. Give your furry friend a healthier smile with the Ninibaby Dog Toothbrushing Kit today. Keeping your pet's teeth clean and healthy is essential for their overall well-being. That's why we recommend the Posidia Dog Plaque Remover, a top-notch tool for dog dental care. Using intelligent ultrasonic technology with a vibration frequency of 44 kHz, this tooth cleaner effectively eliminates dental calculus, plaque, and tartar. providing an immediate teeth cleaning effect that you can visibly see. The best part is that it's safe for gums, as it only works on the teeth and stops when it touches the gums. So, whether you're a beginner or experienced in pet dental care, this tooth cleaner is perfect for dogs of all sizes. With 5 cleaning modes to choose from and 4 LED lights to illuminate your dog's teeth, you can easily operate and customize the cleaning experience. Say goodbye to the hassle of brushing your pet's teeth with a toothbrush and costly visits to the vet for dental care. The Posidia Dog Plaque Remover saves you time and ensures your furry friend has fresh breath and healthy teeth at home. Its rechargeable battery provides long runtime on a single charge, and the IPX6 waterproof cleaning head allows for easy rinsing to maintain hygiene. Plus, you'll receive 4 replacement heads, including 2 pointed and 2 flat ones. Give your dog the best dental care with the Posidia Dog Plaque Remover today. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 cat dental care kits and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.